Good morning. Today is morning shift ako. Kakatapos ko lang maligo at medyo late na rin ako nagising. Pero tumawag na ako sa work ko na malilate ako ng 15 to 20 minutes. Ngayon na kasi ako nagkaroon ng tulog. Good sleep. Because may hindi inaasahang pangyayari sa work. So, I was down for 2 days. Hindi makatulog. Pumano kasi yung isa kong kasamahan. So, magpa 4 years na ako dyan sa work ko. And, yeah, everyday ko siyang nakakasamang mag-lunch, dinner, or nakakausap kasi kasama ko siya sa department. So all of a sudden, bigla na lang nawala. So, nahirapan ako dun. So, wala akong masyadong tulog. At literally, today lang talaga ako nakatulog ng maayos. Mag-skincare lang ako. 5:18. So, I have to be at work at 5:40. Normally, ako ang na-prepare talaga ng baon ni Brian every morning shift. Kaso, today nga, late na ako nagising at nagmamadali na ako for work. Yun nga, but I'm so very happy naman at sabi ng asawa ko, just take it easy, just do your thing and let me worry about Brian this time. Super understanding niya and I'm very, very grateful for that. So, yun na nga, kagabi siya rin nagluto ng dinner kasi for the past 2 days hindi ako makafunction ng mabuti. But now I have to try at least. Magpo-blower lang muna ako ng buhok. Kasi maingay kasi sa taas kaya dito na ako magpo-blower. Baka magising pa yung maliit. Hi, katatapos ko lang sa work. So, it's now 3:10 ng hapon. So, pupunta muna ako ng supermarket kasi may bibilhin lang ako. Kasi gusto ko i-roast yung chicken na nabili ko nung Sunday. And then, after that, susunduin ko si Brian. Nandun siya ngayon sa OPA niya. OPA is grandpa or lolo sa Dutch. Kakarating ko lang sa bahay. Nakakaloka kasi oyster sauce lang naman ang bibilhin ko sana sa supermarket. Pero, hindi yun ang nangyari. Now, magkonting grocery haul tayo. At pinagkita ko na naka-stick brown sugar at saka lemon. And also the oyster sauce. Yan talaga yung gusto ko sana puntahan doon. And then, meron din ako nakita naka-sale na lounge pack. So, meron akong tuyo mansi. So, lalagyan ko muna ng oyster sauce. Oyster sauce, toyo. So, I have here oyster sauce, toyo mansi, and then, lagyan din natin ng limon. So, limon. Siguro mga 2 limon. Tapos, lagyan din natin ng pepper. Saan natin ito ina-marinate? Siya dito. Lagyan din na natin ng garlic. Yung sugar, lagyan ko rin ng sugar. I think nilagyan siya ng ketchup, konting ketchup. After I marinate this one, I'm gonna pick up Brian at your dad.
Oh, are you going to do that?
Yeah, I just went home because I want to marinate it. But I
If you want to do that, you need to let Brian not to play on the computer. I mean, because he was complaining again this morning.
yeah.
Yeah. Where is Brian's from? Mama computer, Kuya computer, Papa computer, where's Brian's computer?
Oh,
I'm trying to explain all the time. De computer beneden is voor mama en Brian.
but
Waarom Brian's computer?
well, I mean, what is he going to play in there then?
Pop or King Boo. I want to see if I can get maybe some other games for him.
Hi, so dito na tayo sa apartment building ng lolo ni Brian. Susunduin natin siya, tapos pupunta tayo sa center para bumili ng gray t-shirt niya para sa school play niya tomorrow. Tatakbo na yan siya. Hi! Hello! Wacht. Kom maar, kusje. Kom maar. Zullen wij kopen? Zullen wij... Ja, San?
Ja, dat kan je. Oh,
Nou, dankjewel opa.
Dankjewel, opa.
dag Brian.
Kusje.
Hoi.
Hug, kiss.
Ja.
Doe, dag
Oké.
opa.
Ik typ deze poesje. Nee.
Pangit ang panahon. Umulan. Is it raining, Brian? Oh! Yeah, hello pa. Kaka na Dayman. We're going to Dayman, yeah? Dayman, Dutch, Tagalog, tsaka Bisaya. Uy! Yeah. Rega. Kira, nahoy. long sleeve. Medyo malaki sa kanya pero walang choice. Gagamitin niya na bukas eh. Brian? Now we're home, guys.
Mama, kijk, ik koffie.
Huh? And after you play with this one, you put it away, okay?
Okay.
Ay, kakapagod. So, start na akong magluto. Brian, come here. Let's try this one. They don't have the size, so this is the next one. I think it should be okay, right? Look,
For being a pigeon, yeah.
I think it should be okay.
Brian,
Why? Are you hungry?
I'm going to order food then, sorry. Takes too long.
Are you hungry already?
I told you I didn't even have breakfast yet.
So is that my fault?
Huh?
Is that my fault?
Yeah, because you should have prepared breakfast for me.
Yeah, sure.
As a good wife for once. Shall I order something?
No!
Honey, please, because it takes so long. I'm not going to wait so long. I'm not kidding.
What do you want to order then?
Can we not eat tomorrow the chicken? What is this?
Order then. I mean,
What shall we order?
no. Plan change.
Oh, let's do Korean fried chicken.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's good there though.
Let's try it out. So, ito yung lounge set na nakita ko kanina sa supermarket. Very, very warm. I just don't like the color, pero okay na. Kasi pang bahay lang naman to eh. Pang tulog. Pero super nice niya talaga sa feeling. Para siyang, teddy bear. Very warm. Nice. We have Korean chicken. Eva Provera. Hey. Hey.
This chicken imported from Korea.
This one is. Okay. Ito pa ni isa ka adlaw. Isang araw pa itong sa dryer. Pero, okay naman. Bango! Okay. Yeah. And then, boba.
That.
Yeah. And then, deze. Doe maar 30.
30.
30.
Daar.
Yeah. And then,
Mama slapen.
then you're a baby then.
Nee.
Okay. You're not a baby, so you have to sleep in your own room. Right?
Okay.
Yeah. Like that. So, yeah, okay. Grandpa Pig's birthday. So, today is Grandpa Pig. Do you want spaghetti on your birthday?
Ja.
Oh. Okay. What else? Ryan, wat rustig. Papa komt eraan, oké? Hi, time check, it's already 10:30. So I'm going to sleep now. So I'll see you again on my next video. Thank you for watching.